Welcome to my channel. If you're an international student dreaming of becoming a biomedical scientist in the UK, this video is for you. I'll break down the entire process, from IBMS degree assessment to HCPC registration, gaining work experience, and landing your first job in just 9 to 12 months or less. Let's dive in. Your journey starts with IBMS degree assessment. This process ensures your foreign unaccredited degree aligns with UK biomedical science standards. Here's what you need. 1. Submit your transcripts and qualifications. 2. Fill out the IBMS assessment form. 3. Follow their recommendations to bridge any gaps in your degree. This step is crucial for obtaining the Certificate of Competence. However, you may be advised to take an enlisted top-up modules from accredited universities around the UK following your degree assessment. If the assessor is not satisfied, your previous degree modules meet the IBMS standard. Also, this might have you to complete an IBMS registration portfolio in an IBMS accredited laboratory before you are issued a Certificate of Competence. Next, register with HCPC. This step grants you legal authorization to work as a biomedical scientist in the UK. Here's what to do. Complete the HCPC online application. Provide proof of your IBMS certificate and relevant documents. Pay the application fee and await your registration confirmation. Now it's time to gain work experience. 1. Apply for locum roles or internships to build your UK lab experience. 2. Use platforms like NHS Jobs, LinkedIn, and recruitment agencies specializing in healthcare. 3. Focus on transferable skills like attention to detail, lab techniques, and teamwork. If you're an international student, these tips will help you succeed. Ensure your visa allows post-study work opportunities. Network with professionals through IBMS, events, and LinkedIn. Be proactive in bridging knowledge gaps through CPD courses or online learning. That's your 12-month roadmap to becoming a biomedical scientist in the UK. Start with IBMS assessment, register with HCPC, gain experience, and land your dream role. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking to fast-track their biomedical science career. Let's make your dream a reality.